Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide on how you can claim your DOGS airdrop onto your BYBIT account. Yes, onto your BYBIT account, so that on 20th of August, when it gets listed, you will also enjoy on the tokens. Okay, this is a good news for the DOGS community. So without wasting my time, let me quickly take you to my phone to know the step-by-step guide on how you can do that. But before that, make sure you download the BYBIT account by just tapping the first link at the video description, and also the second link at the video description will show you the step-by-step guide on how you can create a verified BYBIT account with your KYC, so as to help you enjoy by claiming your DOGS airdrop onto your BYBIT account. So now let's get started. So when you go to your DOGS account on Telegram, then you see deposit to exchange. Click on deposit to exchange. Then here with the balance action, you see we have the exchanges and wallets in Telegram. So if you want to use the wallet in Telegram, you select this one. If you want to use exchanges like BYBIT, you select the exchange, then you click on continue. Then from here you have two exchanges, that's OKX and BYBIT. So I'm going to show you how you can deposit your DOGS onto your BYBIT account. So you select BYBIT, then click on send here. Here you say, do you have BYBIT account? You need to add your deposit address and MOMO to receive DOGS. So if you don't have BYBIT account, just check through the description. The link is there. Just tap on the first link and get yourself registered on BYBIT. And the second video at the video description will give you a step-by-step guide on how you can create a verified BYBIT account and just verify with your KYC. So you can as well check on that too. So after successfully creating your BYBIT account, then you come to yes, I have it. Click on yes, I have it. Then here there are three tasks that you are going to perform. That is, you input your BYBIT user ID, your DOGS deposit account on BYBIT, and also that of the MOMO address. Okay, so you input your BYBIT user ID, and with your BYBIT user ID, you go to BYBIT. You go to BYBIT. When you go to BYBIT, then you see at the top left corner where you see the head icon, that's the menu icon. You click there, then you see your user ID. Okay, this is your user ID. Then you click on it to copy your BYBIT UID. So once your UID is copied, then you go back to your DOGS account on Telegram. Then you paste the UID you copied from BYBIT. You paste it here. Then you enter the DOGS deposit address too. So this one, you go back to that of the BYBIT again. Then you see at the home section we have the home, the market, derivatives, spot, and asset. You go to asset, you click on asset. Then here you click on deposit. You click on deposit here. Then you select deposit crypto. Click here. Then here you search for, at the search button, you search for DOGS. So this is the DOGS. You click on the DOGS. Then here it says choose a chain type. You click on the ton here. This is the deposit address and that of the MOMO. This is the deposit address and the MOMO. So you copy the deposit address here. Click on the copy icon to copy. So once it is copied, then you go back to your DOGS account again on Telegram. Then you paste the DOGS deposit address here. You paste it. Then left with the MOMO. You click here. Then you go back to that of the BYBIT account. Then where you copied your DOGS deposit address, you see this is the MOMO. It says tag or memo. You copy the memo to us. So once it is copied, then you go back to that of the DOGS account again. Then you paste the memo here. Okay, so you click paste. So when you are done, you see you have successfully entered your BYBIT UID, the DOGS deposit address, and that of the memo. Then you click on the send button here. So you see it says confirm withdrawal of 35,000 DOGS. This is what I got after participating on the DOGS. Okay, then here Then here you click on I confirm. Okay, then boom, deposit is in progress. Now be ready for the listing on August 20th. Okay, so guys, congratulations, and this is a good news for the dogs community. Here's the talk tech, and if you like watching content like this, make sure you do subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I post new video concerning crypto, airdrop and tokens, you are going to get it. Like this video, so do not forget to share this with your friends so that they will also benefit from this video. Here's the talk tech, and we shall meet again in the next video. Greetings once again.